Oh, the sweet smell of wood chips. If you're looking to step up your wood turning game, look no further than the G0462 wood lathe. Ready to turn with 16 inches of swing over the bed and a whopping 46 inches between centers, the G0462 can handle a huge range of projects in your shop. The powerful 2 horsepower motor features variable speed adjustment from 600 to 2400 RPM, and the complete headstock can be rotated 60, 90, 120, and 180 degrees for quick and easy outboard turning. Heavy-duty cast iron legs and precision ground cast iron bed ensure stability and minimize vibration. Dial into the perfect turning speed for your next project with the included digital readout. The G0462 wood lathe is perfect for anyone looking to maximize their time in the shop, and it's available on Grizzly.com.